Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind? Imagine earning money from the comfort of your home, or even while traveling the world. The internet has opened up endless opportunities. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make money online. Whether you're a teenager, a stay-at-home parent, or looking for a side hustle, this video is packed with actionable steps you can take right now. Let's get started and unlock your potential. Step 1. Identify your skills. First things first. What are you good at? Writing, graphic design, social media, coding? There's a demand for your talents. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork can connect you with clients looking for your expertise. Even if you're starting from scratch, there are free resources online to help you learn new skills. Remember, your skills are your greatest asset. Not sure what you excel at? Try free assessments online to discover hidden talents you can monetize. Step 2. Explore passive income opportunities. What if you could earn money while you sleep? Sounds like a dream, right? It's possible with methods like affiliate marketing, blogging, or selling digital products. Websites like Amazon Associates or Etsy are great starting points. Want something more creative? Design your own courses or ebooks and sell them through Gumroad or Teachable. These options take effort up front but can create a steady income stream over time. The key is to pick something you're passionate about and stay consistent. Step 3. Try simple online tasks. Looking for something easy to start with? Try platforms like Swagbucks or Clickworker, where you can earn money by completing simple tasks such as taking surveys, watching videos, or even clicking on ads. If you enjoy testing apps or websites, platforms like User Testing pay well for providing feedback. It's not a fortune, but it's a great way to get started and build momentum. Plus, the tasks can be done during downtime, like while watching TV or waiting in line. Step 4. Dive into e-commerce. Starting your online store has never been easier. You can use platforms like Shopify or Etsy to sell handmade goods, print-on-demand merchandise, or even dropship products. Not sure what to sell? Check trending products on Google Trends or TikTok. Even selling second-hand items on eBay can be a lucrative starting point. To stand out, focus on a specific niche and deliver excellent customer service. We'll break down how to pick your niche, set up your store, and market it effectively. Step 5. Affiliate marketing made easy. Affiliate marketing is another simple and effective way to earn money online. Promote products you love on your blog, social media, or YouTube channel, and earn a commission for every sale made through your link. Platforms like ShareASale and ClickBank make it easy to find products to promote. If you're into gaming or tech, look for affiliate programs tailored to those niches. You don't even need a large following to start, just a willingness to share products you believe in, and a bit of creativity in your promotions. Step 6. Tap into social media. Social media isn't just for scrolling, it's a money-making machine. From Instagram sponsorships to TikTok's Creator Fund, you can leverage your followers to create income. Don't have a big following yet? No problem. We'll cover how to grow your audience organically by posting engaging, consistent content. You can also offer social media management services for small businesses. Many businesses are willing to pay to have their social presence handled professionally. If video content excites you, YouTube offers monetization once you hit specific milestones. Step 7. Invest in yourself. Finally, don't forget to invest in your personal growth. Online courses, books, and networking with like-minded individuals can give you an edge in the competitive world of online income. The more you grow, the more opportunities you'll attract. Don't hesitate to invest in tools that make your work easier, like video editing software or productivity apps. Success often comes down to having the right mindset and tools to succeed. Step 8. Leverage the gig economy. If flexibility is what you're looking for, the gig economy might be your perfect fit. Platforms like TaskRabbit, Uber, and DoorDash offer quick ways to earn. For online gigs, try selling photos on Shutterstock or offering voiceovers on voices.com. The best part? You can choose when and how much you want to work. This makes it perfect for students, parents, or anyone juggling multiple responsibilities. Now that you know how to make money online, it's time to take action. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your efforts pay off. If you found this video helpful, give Give a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and share your journey in the comments below. Let's make this year the one where you achieve financial freedom.